Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Kizer Knives Roach here with me for a quick review. But you know what? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. 3 simple things you can do if you want me to keep cranking these videos out. Let's go ahead and check this bad boy, which comes with a 3-inch long cutting edge and a 4.7-inch long handle. The blade length is like 3.5, by the way. Overall length of this fella is going to be 8.25 inches. This is a pretty interesting titanium frame lock designed by Matt Degan. It's the Roach. It's made by Kizer Knives in China. It has a price of, I think now it's on sale for $100. It's an interesting one. I mean, a titanium frame lock, look at that, with a nice matte gray finish. It's sporting an S35 VN steel stone-washed blade, nice drop point. Just like a plain belly, like it's big. I mean, not a small one. I mean, it's wide, not a big one, because I mean, overall 8.25 inches, it's all right. But look at the height of this knife. It's very, very tall. The blade is super tall. It is interesting. Like, something very good is the grip in the hand, because like this part surprised me. Like the pinky, look at this. This is very good. So divot here for the thumb, finger groove, 2 fingers, and the pinky. This is very good in the hand. I'm just missing a little bit of jimping here, because that's fine. If you want to do a more advanced grip, you just do that. So you're gonna have 3 fingers right over here and a full finger choil right there. So look at that. So that's pretty cool. The grip is there for sure. Action also, it's there. I mean, not too shabby. Custom pivot screw. You get a Roach in this. It's an alright clip, titanium, but it's very, very strong. You get a stainless steel lock face insert. You get to see, of course, Matt Degan Roach on the back. Kizer logo. Nice stone wash finish for the blade. I mean, the sound also, it's kind of loud. It's pleasant. And the great thing is about this is the ergo's like really, really good, especially for the advanced grip. Here you go. So there you have it, guys. If you want to know more, you can check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.